Hello and welcome back. Today we are staying at home and we're eating healthy at home. We're going to do mashed potatoes today. I've already started did the prep work, and we're going to do eggplants, and this is tomato and basil with rosemary and onions and garlic already cut up. My herbs, dry herbs, are already pre-mixed, and my salt to add to our meal. So I've preheated the pot. I'm going to put the zucchini, the eggplant in. This is a vegetarian meal. However, you can add your meat to flavor accordingly. So once you put your eggplant in, you add your herbs and you add your seasoning. You're going to let this cook with the oil just a few minutes, and after it cooks a few minutes, you boil some water and you add to it. I'm going to go ahead and put the mashed potatoes in, and we're going to join you back once the meal is ready. Thank you. Looking forward to that. Welcome back. We are staying at home preparing healthy at home meals. This is our eggplant. This can be your meat, so to speak, if you're a vegetarian. If you would like meat, just prepare some meat and you can add to the meal. This is our potatoes. We will mash it and have it with our meal. And this is our spinach. We had to prepare some spinach quickly to add as vegetables. These are healthy, stay-at-home meals. Stay safe and be safe. Thank you.